Okay, so I'm back with the next video, and I'm going to show you how to add a background. I have seen some wonderful posters, and the one thing we're lacking is a background. So we're going to show you how to add background color to make it really pop. Okay, so once you've got your poster finished and you have everything on there that you think that you like, what we need to do is we need to add some color. So if you would, we're going to go to Insert. And we want to insert a shade. What we're going to do is put a box on top of our poster, and then we're going to send it to the back. So I'm going to insert a rectangle. I'm going to draw a rectangle the size of my poster. Alright, and you say, oh, it goes away. Where is it? Well, actually right now it's on top of our poster. So you notice right now by the points, the dots right here, that this box is selected. I'm going to choose the fill color. Now notice you want something that's not really dark. So let's try something like a light color, thinking about the colors that you have on your poster. I'm going to maybe try a very light pink or light red here, and I'm going to color it light red. Alright, but then I think about it, my words are red, so maybe not that. So a contrast color would be maybe a light purple. Alright, then after I've done this is very important, we want to go to Arrange. So we go to the top to the Arrange button. We click on it, and we want to go to Order. So we go to Order, and let's go and send it backwards. We want to send this box to the back. And not all of it came, so we're going to go to Arrange, Order again, and let's send to the back. And there you go. And so now our poster has color, and it's really going to pop. So and I wanted to mention that if for some reason this toolbar goes away, if you look at this right here, okay, that makes it go away. So if you just click on it again, it will show the menus. Alright. So I just want to remind you, for the ones that turned in, some of you make sure that you are following the instructions and you have everything that I am looking for. I am looking for a digestive system, what it does. If you would like to label a couple, you can, and 5 ways to keep it healthy. And we want to create a poster, so let's not insert an image of a poster that's already created. When think about copyright, we're making our own poster. So we can't use the picture of a poster. So if you've already turned it in, you can unsubmit it, and you'd like to add a background. Just hit unsubmit, go back in, add a background, and make it look really nice. But I'm really like the work that I've seen so far. And if you needed to add something, I will leave you a private message. Have a good night. Or actually have a good day.